Hi friends, welcome back to VRs. Our today's project will be motor rotation control circuit. First, let's begin with seeing the materials required for our today's project. We need a switch with two wires connected to it. If you don't find such type of switch, you can go by attaching the switch with the normal wires. Then we need a DC motor and also a power supply. I'm using AA batteries as mine. I'm using blades as well to show in which direction is the motor rotating. Now let's see how to make our model. First, let's attach the switch and the motor together. And let's rotate it so that it gets secured properly. There we go. Now let's attach our power supply. I told in my previous videos that red always indicates positive and black always indicates negative. We need the same current flow throughout the wires. So we will attach red with red means positive with positive to maintain the same flow, and black with the other wire which is green to maintain the same flow. There we go. Okay. Now our model is ready. So before we test our model, we have to attach our blades also. So our switch has three states. The first state would be completely towards the left. The second state would be in between, which is off. The third state would be completely towards the right, which is again on in the reverse direction. Now our motor rotation control circuit is ready. So if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section below, and please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.